Let's take a look at how we set up triggers or alert notifications in the system. The first step is to access the Triggers module by clicking on the View All Triggers link. From here we can see all triggers that have previously been saved in the system. Let's click on the New button to enter our trigger. Mandatory fields are indicated by the orange dot: division, type, and trigger type. Let's go through the setup. Division, as you can see, is already pre-populated. The next field is the type. You have 4 different options: authorization, TechData or service, hardware, or all exports. For this example, let's select authorization. I'll set up a blanket trigger, meaning that this will be the trigger applied to all authorizations in the system, so I'll leave both the authorization number and the item number fields blank. Next is type of trigger. For our example, we'll select percentage of total value. Trigger level indicates the threshold that will activate your trigger. We'll leave it at 80%. If we were to set up a date-based trigger, we could select prior to expiry and set the trigger level at 30 days. We will then select who should be getting the trigger email notifications. Select the name from the drop-down menu and click on the plus sign. Based on this setup, this particular trigger will notify the selected individual whenever any of the authorizations in the system are within 80% of the total value, or had we select a date-based trigger, 30 days before expiry. The final step is to click on Save, which will ensure that the trigger is set up in the system.